Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp OTP code not receiving. If you want to sign in WhatsApp but OTP code not receiving, how to fix? First of all, open your setting and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi together at the third scan, you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode, at least the third scan you have turned it off. And after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on iPhone storage, and from here search for this WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. What you need to do it, offload your WhatsApp. After few minutes you have again sign in, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. Then again open setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal, and from here scroll down and click on date and time, and make sure that turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that go back, scroll down and click on VPN device manager. And from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect. After that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, and click on reset, and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting go back and click on shutdown and slide to power. After a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then and long press on WhatsApp. But you need to do it, remove this app, and after a few minutes you have again sign in. After that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.